Hey my friends, it's Tasche, and I wanted to make this quick video to give you a heads up on a brand new course I'll be reviewing in the next few days called PostBlazer. Now, PostBlazer teaches how to make money using social media, more specifically with Facebook pages. Now, there have been a lot of courses in the past that teach how to make money with Facebook, whether it be with Facebook pages or with groups or with other methods. But PostBlazer focuses on things that other courses don't even touch on. Okay, so you're going to get a lot of getting a unique perspective and a lot of brand new strategies and techniques in this course. So if you'd like to see my full review of the course, go ahead and if you're on my webpage, there's a button down below. Just click that, and that'll take you to my blog where my review is going to be. If you're on YouTube, however, just click the link in the description, and that'll take you to another page where you can access my review when it's ready. And as always, I'm also offering a very valuable bonus package with this for anybody who takes action and picks up their copy of the course through my link. Again, PostBlazer is launching on June 14th at 11 a.m. Eastern, and it's going to be closing out at 11:59 p.m. Look for my review in your email about an hour before the product goes live. Now, if you're not on my list, of course, just bookmark that. If you're on YouTube, just bookmark that link, and you can access the review whenever it's ready. Okay. So again, guys, thank you very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Talk soon.